Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. My name is Jan and behind the camera is my wife Yukari. We were living for 5 months in our van, and when we came back from traveling we realized that there are many things we would like to change. In this video we will show you how we removed the interior paneling and how we prepared our roof rack. Enjoy the video and let's get started. So we removed everything, and it was pretty easy because we made a very simple build before. We just had to remove all the parts and it was fine. The biggest point was we had to make the decision to really remove the interior panels, because after that there was no way back. We used these plastic things and sometimes a screwdriver to get behind it. I was a little bit too fast in the beginning and didn't see where the pieces were actually connected to.
Don't break.
In general, we try to be careful and not break the parts, because we thought we could sell the parts, and it was true. We made a few €100 just selling on eBay. Very easy, very easy. So here you can see the rear air conditioning unit that we didn't need in the back anymore, so we wanted to remove it. To empty the liquid inside, we had to go to the local mechanic, and we were super lucky to have our neighbor Basti, who gave us a lot of support and the confidence that it would be possible to remove the unit. After we were cutting the pipes, they had to be welded so that we could still use the front air condition while driving. A welder in the next city, he did it for $5. When we removed the floor mat, we saw tiny rusty spots, and then we just grinded them and sealed them off. The next thing was to prepare the roof rack. We found it on the local eBay and we used it for our first trip. Now we wanted to update it. First we had to cut the side bars because the solar panel didn't really fit. Then we cut off a part where the window will later on be. Please always wear glasses when using an angle grinder. I really learned that by now. Some of the connections were broken and it was a little rusty here and there.
So, no?
I'm using this rust removing liquid.
Okay.
My father came to help and he recommended to use a 2-component glue. With this and the fiberglass string, we could fix the parts and seal some of the holes and edges.
This is fiberglass strings, and this is not how to open it.
We wrapped the fiberglass where the connection was broken, and then we mixed the glue and the hardener. Then just take a little brush and apply it. It got really strong.
In the next video we will show you how we installed our roof window, and we will make many more videos about the van build. If you enjoy this kind of video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and enjoy your life. See you!